So I've been testing the Segway Navimow i210 LiDAR, and honestly, this thing surprised me more than I expected. Right out of the box, setup is ridiculously simple. No boundary wires, no complicated antennas. You just place the dock, fire up the app, and let it map your lawn. The LiDAR system does a really solid job creating a clean layout, and it feels way more plug and play than older robot mowers. In actual use, the mowing is smooth and consistent. It moves in neat patterns, doesn't randomly bounce around, and obstacle detection is genuinely impressive. Garden hoses, toys, furniture, it avoids them without drama. The app is also one of the better ones I've used. Easy scheduling, zone setup, and you can tweak boundaries without pulling your hair out. But it's not perfect. Edge cutting is still a weak spot, so you'll probably do a quick trim afterward. And if your lawn is really complex or uneven, it can struggle a bit. Noise-wise, though, super quiet. You barely notice it running. So, is it worth your money in 2020? So, if you want a low-effort smart mower for a normal suburban lawn, yeah, it absolutely makes sense. But if you're expecting perfection on edges or rugged terrain performance, you might be a little disappointed.